Welcome back again with another tech learning series of Help Desk Challenges, Part 6, The Critical Call. Characters: Michael, CIO, oversees its operations, ensures business continuity. Alex, network engineer, handles networking and server issues. Emily, help desk support, frontline IT support, resolving customer issues. Mr. Johnson, angry customer, critical client facing a severe outage. The high priority call, angry customer. Suddenly a phone rings, shattering the peace.
Tech Solutions Help Desk, this is Emily speaking. How can I assist you today?
Little does she know, this is no ordinary call. On the other end of the line is Mr. Johnson, a man known for his fiery temper and even hotter coffee. Mr. Johnson is fuming.
Finally! I've been waiting for over 10 minutes. My entire team is locked out of the system and we're losing money every second. This is unacceptable.
I understand your frustration, Mr. Johnson. Let's get this resolved as quickly as possible. Can you describe what's happening?
Describe? Every single employee in my department is locked out of the system. No access to emails, no access to shared drives, nothing. And your so-called IT support is taking its sweet time.
Emily quickly pulls up the system logs and sees multiple failed login attempts from Mr. Johnson's department.
I see multiple failed login attempts. It looks like an automatic security lockout due to multiple incorrect password attempts.
Well, fix it. I don't care about security lockouts. We have a deadline in 30 minutes.
I understand the urgency. I'll need to reset access for all affected accounts. Please stay on the line while I escalate this to our CIO, Michael, to fast-track the process.
Emily messages Michael on Teams. He immediately joins the call.
Mr. Johnson, this is Michael, CIO of IT support. I understand this is causing major disruptions to your business, and I assure you, we're working on it right now. Michael, I expect a fix, not excuses. We've got thousands of dollars on the line. Understood. We're bypassing the standard lockout timer and manually resetting all accounts. Alex, can you confirm if there are any firewall blocks causing additional issues? Checking now. Looks like our security system detected suspicious activity and temporarily blocked access from their department. I'll whitelist their network and lift the restriction. Mr. Johnson, we'll need your employees to log out completely and then log back in using new credentials we'll send to their emails in the next 5 minutes. Size fine, but this better not happen again. We'll also implement an exception policy for critical teams like yours to prevent future disruptions. We appreciate your patience.
A few moments later, Mr. Johnson's team regains access, and he grudgingly acknowledges the fix. Step-by-step solution: identify the lockout reason, open the Active Directory Users and Computers ADUC tool, navigate to Users and find Mr. Johnson's department accounts. Check if they have the locked out status. Next, unlock the accounts. Right-click on the locked accounts. Select Properties, Account tab. Uncheck Account is locked out and click Apply. Next step, reset user passwords if needed. In the same Properties window, click Reset Password. Set a new temporary password and check User must change password at next login. Next step, whitelist the department's IP address. Firewall check. Log into the firewall admin panel, for example, FortiGate, Cisco, or pfSense. Navigate to Security Policies, Access Control. Check if Mr. Johnson's department's IP is blacklisted. Remove the IP restriction and save changes. Next step, verify login. Success. Ask users to log out completely. Have them enter their new credentials. Confirm system access is restored. Last step, implement preventive measures. Add the department to an exempt list for lockout policies. Enable multi-factor authentication MFA to enhance security. Educate employees on avoiding repeated failed logins. A few moments later, Mr. Johnson's team regains access and he grudgingly acknowledges the fix.
All right, we're back in. Don't let this happen again.
Glad we could resolve this for you, Mr. Johnson. If you need further assistance, we're here to help.
Network issues, call with Alex, network engineer, ticket 2.
This is Alex from Network Support. How can I assist you? Our internet is extremely slow and some websites won't load. What's going on? I'll check the network status now. Have you noticed this issue on all devices or just specific ones? I see an unauthorized device hogging bandwidth. I'll remove it and optimize your connection. It's the whole office. Our video calls keep lagging.
Alex logs into the firewall and checks bandwidth usage.
I see that a few devices are consuming high bandwidth. It looks like someone is streaming HD videos. Seriously? That's not even work-related. I'll limit non-essential traffic and prioritize work applications. I'll also update your router firmware to improve performance.
Alex applies bandwidth control and updates the router.
Can you check your internet speed again? Oh wow, it's way better now. Thanks, Alex.
Email issue, call with Emily, ticket 3.
It help desk, Emily speaking.
I can't send an email with a large attachment. It says attachment too large. What should I do?
That's likely due to email size limits. Let's try a workaround.
Emily guides the customer to right-click the file, send to compressed zipped folder. And also Emily suggests uploading to Google Drive and sharing the link. Customer successfully sends the email.
That worked. Thanks for the tip.
Happy to help. Have a great day.
Blue screen of death, BS order, ticket 4.
My PC just went blue with a bunch of error codes. Don't worry, I'll guide you through a safe boot to diagnose it. Restart in safe mode, update drivers, run a memory check, and ensure hardware isn't overheating.
Forgotten password, ticket 5.
Oh, I forgot my password again.
I'll reset it, but let's also set up multi-factor authentication so you don't get locked out again.
Emily reset password, enable MFA, and educate users on secure password storage. Phishing attempt detected, ticket 6. I got an email saying my password is compromised. Is it real?
Definitely not. Never click links in those emails. Forward it to IT security now. Train users to recognize phishing, implement email filtering, and enable security alerts. The IT help desk is a battlefield where calmness meets chaos. It's a testament to the unsung heroes who keep our digital lives running smoothly. So the next time you encounter an IT issue, take a deep breath. Remember the dedication of these tech wizards and know that you're in good hands.
Interview questions and answers.
How do you handle a ransomware attack?
Immediately isolate affected systems, disconnect from the network, and notify the security team. Perform a forensic analysis and restore from backups. Explain subnetting in networking. Subnetting divides a large network into smaller networks to improve efficiency. Example: a /24 subnet allows 256 IP addresses.
How do you resolve a DNS resolution issue?
Check if the DNS server is reachable, flush DNS cache, ipconfig/flushdns, and use Google's DNS 8.8.8.8 as a test. How do you recover a corrupted operating system? Boot into recovery mode, use startup repair, or reinstall Windows while keeping files intact.
What's the best way to secure a company's Wi-Fi?
Use WPA3 encryption, disable WPS, hide SSID, enable MAC filtering, and use VLANs for network segmentation.
Wow, what a roller coaster of IT challenges. From angry customers to critical outages, today's episode had it all. Drama, high-stakes problem solving, and a whole lot of tech wizardry. Did you enjoy watching Emily, Alex, and Michael tackle real-world IT disasters? Then don't stop here, there's so much more to come. Every episode is packed with unpredictable customer calls, unexpected technical twists, and life-saving IT solutions that every tech enthusiast should know. Smash that like button if you've ever faced a tech issue and wished you had a help desk superhero like Emily. Drop a comment below. What's the craziest IT issue you've ever dealt with? We'd love to feature your story in a future episode.
And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You don't want to miss the next thrilling episode where the team faces an even bigger IT crisis. Can they handle it? Stay tuned and find out. See you in the next episode of Help Desk Challenges. Thanks for watching Ask to Know Learn with the Difference.